Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to take a look at XLM. I'm so sorry this is a delayed request here for you, but let's quickly dive into the analytics of it. So currently right now we're trading at 0.32 cents. We are down only 2% of the day, and then the volume itself is at 14.86 cents. So we are seeing a lot of activity in terms of the price here. So we're going to dive into the charts to see if we're able to hold on to a very crucial area of our Fibonacci level, or if the price is going to basically break support. So heading over to the daily time frame here, we can see that XLM is hovering around the 38% of our Fibonacci at 0.32. Now this area here is very crucial because if we do kind of zoom out, we're able to see this area was treated as a main act of support, especially from this downwards trend. So we can see a few areas kind of breaking through our 20 and our 50 moving average in this pullback. Now again, in the weekly time frame, we see more of a steeper pullback than we anticipated. However, we did kind of touch around our 61% of our Fibonacci, but kind of quickly going back to that daily time frame, this is going to be a make or break it in my opinion here for XLM. If the price isn't able to maintain the 38% of our Fibonacci at the 32 cents, then we can possibly see the price kind of dipping closer down to this area wick here around the 26 cents. Because when I take a look at the fixed volume, or the volume profile, basically the volume of supply and demand in terms of dollar amounts, we don't really see much activity from the 38% until we reach around 23 cents. So just above our 23% of our Fibonacci. These areas here really trickled a lot of volume, especially when the price was kind of skyrocketing closer to that November, or the end of November, closer to the start of December here, because volume moved very quickly here. Volatility moved very quickly. Not a lot of trades here was made. So if the volume profile shows us very small areas of volume at this dollar amount, it may not be able to hold the area of support. Now we did see it in this candlestick wick kind of hold at the lowest of 26 cents until it did spark some buyers. But again, that may be revisiting if we do not hold the 38% of our Fibonacci. Now there are some plus signs if we take a look at some of our indicators here. The RSI is considered as oversold, may trickle some buyers into the marketplace of XLM, hence positive volume. We do see at the very bottom of this downtrend, smaller bodied candlestick, meaning that there is a lot of tug war in terms of the bulls and the bears, and a little bit more indecision in the marketplace. So we don't really see any dominancy in terms of the sellers or the buyers. So in the next 24 hours, I'm going to say is very crucial here. If the buyers are able to step in, then possibly we're going to retest our 20 moving average of a high of 37 cents. That's only if we do see buyers step in. We do see some buyers kind of coming into today. We do see momentum kind of slowing down here for our MACD indicator. And again, our CMF indicator is still showing positive. So we know that overall, as we zoom out, it is still a buyer's market. Now we're going to zoom out again to that weekly time frame to really take a look as to the correction it's having. So here we can already see a lot of dominating in terms of the sellers. We do see our MACD indicator kind of seeing that cross between our K and our D line. Essentially, that means that the trend itself is slowing down for the buyers in these green bars, or these green histograms, and coming into more of a seller's territory. Now, in terms of this candlestick here, now this can be very debatable. Definitely let me know what your comments are down below if this is an inverted hammer candlestick, because essentially with this candlestick, most activity of the body would be found at the very top. The characteristic is really no wick, or just a small little wick. Well, why does this really matter if I'm talking about a candlestick? Is because it does show a lot of a lot of interest in terms of the buyers because they were pushing the price as high as they can, and that's why the body is mainly at the very top. This candlestick is normally a reversal candlestick at the very bottom, which is again very crucial in terms of XLM. If we do want to see any signs of recovery, ideally we want to see it in the activity. So if this is a inverted hammer candlestick, confirmation will be next week if we do see more bullish signs, which may be able to show us a hold at the 38%. Buyers are defending this area, and most likely price is going to come up and retest the 40 cents area. But that's kind of time will tell. We would have to see in terms of XLM in the next couple of days if we're able to hold the 38 cents. Now, if we're unable to hold this title at 32 cents, 38% of our Fibonacci, it is kind of in crucial areas of our 20 moving average. If we do close below this, then the trend itself may be broken here, where we might see a deeper correction, possibly coming down to that 21 cents before we're able to see any type of rebound or any type of recovery. But kind of let me know what you guys think. Do you think the marketplace or XLM needs to dip closer to 21% or 21 cents before we actually see a bull rally itself, or do you think it's going to defend the 38% of our Fibonacci and then we're going to see closer to that 40 cents? Because there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of activity in this coin itself. It may attract more traders to be looking at higher volatility coins for the price itself to really move. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Drop me a comment, like and subscribe as well. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.